Now with the seat switch fixed, I can sit in the driver's seat, open the door, and then I can shut the door and it'll stay on. So before, I'll lift my butt out of the seat. What it was doing now, before, I'd open the door, hop out, and it would shut off because it didn't see my butt in the seat. Put my butt in the seat and it turns on. So our switch is repaired.
Alright guys, this is the next day. CJ ran Ken in to get a second opinion this morning.
Tesla seat switch, the pressure switch under your butt. It's the one that when you shut your door, it knows there's somebody in the seat. What happens is you'll shut your door like while you're supercharging and your dash goes out. So it's very annoying. You shut the door, you're sitting in your car, you can't watch my YouTube videos while you're charging at tesx.net or Forklifts by Day, Teslas by Night. So, and you can't buy this switch. Even though there's a part number, I've not been able to get it. So I decided, just like everything else, let's tear it apart. Let's see what's going on. And basically, it was just sticky. It is a very interesting little piece under there. All it is a contact switch. And they get a little crudded up over time. And you can't take it apart because it is sealed. But if you manipulate it enough, as you can tell, all I did was you get it down in there. And if you notice, I use Snap-on. They're basically seal picks, spoon picks. You don't want to poke through this stuff. So you just got to take it and you just got to rub. And if you just rub that in there and you get it all nice, you're not actually removing nothing. You're just making a good contact area in there. So as you notice, now I got that, and I'll push it, and my seat switch is working properly again. You don't have to have a $1,500 or $2,500 new seat. You can just go in and old school, just fix it. Now this car will work as it should. I just got to put the seat back together. There's not too many plug-ins. You got 2 cam lock plug-ins, and then you have another plug-in under there. And there's just 4 bolts that hold it in. There's 1 or 2 on each side. But just remember this. They are a specialty torque socket. And what they are is the left-hand side closest to the door is a TP40. And the ones on the inside are bigger, are a TP45. I've had people bring these to me where they tried to use just the regular Torx and they strip them out. And then they're really fun to remove. But just remember, the TP45 for the one close to the center console, and the TP40 for the one close to the door. And then you can put the seat all back together again. Everything is nice and easy, little clips, so everything's stretched on there. These things are put together way better than a lot of other seats I've ever torn apart. They have your straps that pull in and basically just hook in to the springs up here, and it keeps your seat nice and taut. This lip goes over this bar right here. And just make sure you get everything tucked back in place when you put it back together. And you'll be good for another 100,000 miles or 8 to 9 years. So, good luck.